Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make new folder in Outlook. Now basically making a new folder in an email application like Outlook will ensure that you can organize your emails properly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly that. So just follow me. At first, just go ahead and open up your Outlook app from your taskbar. If it's not pinned here, go to search and just search for it. And from best matches, just open it. Then just expand this. And after you have opened your Outlook, what you have to do is go here to your account. And next to it, you'll find the three dot icon. Just click on this. From here, you'll find the create new folder button. Just click on it. Then just name your folder. I'm just gonna name it tech. And click on save. After that, your folder will be created. Just click on it. As you can see, it's currently empty. To add to your emails to this folder, go to your inbox. And just select the email that you want to insert here. For example, this email from Facebook, just right click on it. Then click on move. Then just click on move to a different folder. Then just click on the folder name that you just created. And from the next time, if you go to that folder, you'll find it here. Let us just add another email. For example, this one, just right click on it. Then just click on move. Then just click on the folder name. Now, if we go to our tech folder, we're gonna see the emails added to this folder. And basically that is how to create a folder in Outlook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.